Pig.
Hello, my little ones. Come inside. We have a surprise.
What is it?
A surprise. We have a new pet. Can you guess what it is?
Dinosaur?
No!
You're not just wrong, you're stupid. Now wait just a minute. And you're ugly, just like your mum.
Granny Pig and Grandpa Pig have a pet parrot.
Peppa, George, this is our pet parrot. She's called Polly.
I'm a unitard! I'm a unitard! Wow!
I'm a
Stupid!
parrot.
Mummy, why does Polly copy everything that Granny says?
That's what parrots do. I'll show you. Hello, Polly.
Mummy, why does Polly copy everything that Granny says?
What a
Stupid!
parrot.
What a sweet little parrot!
Come on, everyone. Tea time.
Peppa and George love eating chocolate cake, but today they are in a hurry to get back and play with Polly Parrot.
Finished!
Are you sure you've completely finished your cake? Off you go, then.
Hooray! George, say something to Polly.
Giggity, giggity! Giggity, giggity!
Peppa and George are really enjoying playing with Polly Parrot.
I'm Peppa Pig.
I'm gonna put some dirt in your eye.
George, say something. George, say something. George, say something.
Peppa is thinking of something else to say to Polly Parrot.
Peppa, George, have you been playing with Polly?
Yes, Granny.
Polly is such a sweet parrot.
Yes, Granny.
I'm a clever parrot.
Oh!
Oh, my word!
Ho, ho.
Peppa Pig. Peppa Pig. Peppa Pig.
Yes, yes! Burn the child!